In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add action buttons in a Google Slides presentation. So let's say you're done with your presentation, but you want to add some action buttons on your actual slides to help you navigate through your presentation. Now, some action buttons that you can add would be a home button to bring you to your title page, and some arrow keys where you can go to your next slide or to your previous slide. So let's get started. So first, what we're going to add are some icons that we can use to represent the home button, the previous button, and the next button. Now, I've been using Flaticon for my previous videos, and it's a great website where you can search and use some uniform icons that you can add to your presentation. So here, I've just typed in home, click on search, and here are some icons that I can choose from. So I'm going to choose a simple one right here. If you want that, you can just right-click on it and select Copy Image. Once you've copied it, go back to your slide, and you can just paste. There you have it. So we're just going to reposition it in the middle. I'm going to put it here where I can see it. It's totally up to you where you want to put yours. It can be at the corner, at the bottom. Again, totally up to you. So I'm just going to make it smaller. I'm okay with the color. I'm going to stick to that. Now I'm going to add some arrows to represent our previous and next buttons. So let's go back to Flaticon. Now this time I search for left arrow, or you can just type an arrow. Again, depending on what you're looking for. And once you've chosen the icon that you like, I'm going to select this one. Again, right click on it and copy image. Let's go back to our slide again. And again, paste. Right click and paste. So we have our arrow right here. Again, just reposition it. Resize it. Let's make it the same size as our home icon. And again, move it to where we want it. There you have it. Now, instead of going back to Flaticon, I'm just going to copy this and paste. Drag it right here. And I'm just going to flip it with our format options right here. Click on that. Now we go to size and rotation and select flip. And there you have it. So we have our three icons, or our three action buttons that we will use for the previous, the home, and the next slide. Now to turn these into action buttons, what we're going to do is to link them to the slides in our presentation. So this one would be our previous slide. So go to your keyboard and press the keys Ctrl-K. And there you have it. We have our next slide, our first slide. Now let's select slides in the presentation because we cannot see previous slides. So select that. And there you have it. Now we go to our next button right here. Again, Ctrl-K. And there you have it. You can just select next slide right there. So for our home button, since this is our home page, what we're going to do is to link it to this slide number. Since we're going to be copying this and pasting it to the rest of our slides, we can just format it anyway. So again, just select the icon. Go to your keyboard, press the keys Ctrl-K. And select slides in the presentation. Now this slide is slide number 2, so we can just select slide number 2. And there you have it. So we have our three action buttons right here. If we go to our slideshow and see if they work, we will have our previous slide, okay, our home slide, which is this slide, and our next slide, which is the next one. Now all we have to do is to just copy these three icons right here with their links. Right click on them and copy. Now we can just paste it to our slides. So select your slide and then Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Select the slide, Ctrl-V to paste. Last one, Ctrl-V. And there you have it. So if we start our presentation here, let's say on the fourth slide, and click on our action buttons right here, this will bring us to the previous slide. This will bring us to the next slide. And this will bring us to the home page. And there you have it. That's how to add action buttons in a Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.